Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can add more users into your Salesforce account. So it's actually kind of tricky. It's not that transparent how you should probably expect it to be. So we have to basically go into our workspace at Salesforce and then click on the setup button, which is this little wheel 2 places to the left from your profile, and click on Basics Sales Setup. In this Basic Sales Setup, you already can see some information, but we have to go into the administrations and click on Users, and then double click the users again. At the moment in this free account, as you can see, we have only 4 users, and the only one which is actually active, and it's basically my account. If you want to add more users to our Salesforce, we need to go and click on New, and the new pop-up window will show up. First name, let's go with Jack. Last name Reacher with 2 E. Email, let's go with this guy. And profile can be system administrator, which we don't want to be because we want to stay only one. Read only, so you can basically create a user that can only read and can't really contribute by basically inputting any informations into your Salesforce account. And then standard user, we go with standard user. And as you can see, user Ruffle was added. His name is Jack Reacher. And as you can see, the opportunities, or we can go into the tasks. We can go and already see that we can add Jack as a second man or second user, that we can basically delegate stuff to him. Let's go like this. Rocket business, opportunity owner. This is our case, but we can modify it and basically make it to be Jack Reacher's responsibility. As you can see, they are going by the usernames is their email. The mine is this one, and I'm a system administrator. And that's how you basically add a new members into your Salesforce. So that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Have a great day.